Today I'm making an easy pecan pie. Now I am going to begin with Karo syrup, a cup of Karo syrup. I have here, I use a half a cup of granulated sugar. I use rum and vanilla extract as well as a teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, a half a cup of butter, and a tablespoon of cornstarch, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, and 1.5 to 2 cups of pecans. It depends on how deep your pie shell is. We're going to add the cornstarch to the brown sugar and also the 3 eggs, and we're going to stir that until it's combined. I add the butter to the brown sugar and eggs, and then I'm adding the vanilla, which is like a half a teaspoon of vanilla and a half a teaspoon of rum. Next, I'm adding the cup of Karo syrup. And so I add that. And from there, I'm adding the half a cup of white sugar. To prepare my pie pan, I'm actually using a store-bought crust. Again, you can make your own. But I'm going to brown this crust for about 10 minutes until it's lightly golden brown. And I'll set that aside. And while that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and add my pecans, the 1.5 to 2 cups of pecans to the brown sugar and egg mixture. So I'm just going to, stir this in. And once I know that everything is combined, I'm going to transfer the mixture to the pie. And basically, it's just, it's pretty simple. Okay, and so once everything is, I've gotten all the ingredients out of the bowl, I'm, then just going to smooth it a little bit. And then I'm going to cook this pie in a 375 degree oven for an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. And, once it's done, it will look like this. And there you have a very easy, delicious pecan pie.